Today, you're going to learn the 4 types of videos you need to create for your business to generate leads and increase visibility. One of my subscribers used that strategy and landed a $400,000 client within 90 days. And in this video, I'm going to explain the purpose for each video and the results you should expect for your own business. Let's go. Hey everybody, this is Antoine Dupont and welcome to another video. If you're looking for tips and best practices on video marketing, then this channel is for you. All the links mentioned in this video are going to be listed in the description below. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. Now, let's go right into it. The first type of video you should produce for your business is the how-to or educational video. Basically, all the videos that start with how, what, why, when, and where. All of those videos are the kinds of videos you should be doing right now. Think about it for a minute. How many times in the last 30 days did you go on YouTube to look for a how-to video to solve a problem that you have? When I ask this question at conferences, unequivocally 90% of the hands go up. And your potential customers do the exact same thing. They have questions related to what you do or what you provide, and they want to know what, how, where, when, and all of those questions related to your business. A recent study conducted by the Pew Research Center uncovered that 51% of all searches on YouTube were for how-to related content. And 51% is a staggering number. I mean, think about it, right? That's 35% of all US adults that are looking for how-to related content for a whole bunch of stuff, including what you do. Here's the deal. If you don't create those videos, then someone else in your industry is going to do it, and you're going to lose out big time. Now, if you're not sure what kind of how-to videos you should create for your specific industry, I have created another video, and I'm going to put a link right there of a video where I'm explaining to you how to uncover all those how, what, where, and why for your specific industry. One of my subscribers created a how-to video for her business. At first, she was a little bit reluctant, but after a little bit of convincing, she went for it. That video got 20 times more views than any other video that she had ever done, and it resulted in a $70,000 order within 7 days. Bottom line, how-to videos are going to position you as the thought leader and the authority for your industry. So don't delay. Start doing how-to videos right now before your competition does. Now, those videos are best suited for YouTube, and they should be about 5 to 10 minutes in length. The next type of video you should produce for your business is the FAQ video. Those are the videos answering the questions that 90% of your prospects or your potential customers ask you each and every single time. How long does it take? Do you cover insurance? What are your terms? How much does it cost to upgrade? Is this a monthly fee or an annual fee? What if I want to cancel? Those are the typical types of questions you get over and over again. They always ask you those questions. Those videos should be posted on your website with each and every single product or service you offer. They'll create a sense of trust and position you or your company as being trustworthy. And the added advantage for you is that when you actually meet the customer to close them or to sign them up, well, you won't be wasting time answering all those questions that you know they have. You actually get down to business and connect with them. Another subscriber created an FAQ video to answer a question they get all the time. Not only is that video now ranking number 2 on YouTube, but when they meet the customer, they can actually get down to business. It's actually improving its conversion because customers come in educated, ready to get down to business. Those videos should be uploaded to YouTube, embedded on your website, and should probably be around 2 to 5 minutes. The next one is the products or service video. Each product or service listed on your website should have a video describing what it is. Those videos are awesome to start engagement before you even meet with them. They'll meet with you, and they'll say, "Oh, I already saw your video on your website. It's good to meet you in person." How's that for connection? And products or services video are awesome for SEO. Let me explain. Let's take, for example, a company like Frameworks in Miami. On their website, almost every single service they have has a video explaining or describing what that specific product is. Now, everything being equal, let's take their competition's website that is describing the products and services without any videos, and Frameworks website with a video for each product or service they offer. On which website do you believe that the people are going to spend more time on? Yeah, Frameworks. Every single time. And the reason why is because if you're given 500 words to read or a quick video, you will watch the video every single time. And now what's next is on the competition, people will spend 5-10 seconds, they'll scan and they'll get out. And on your page, they'll spend, maybe a minute and a half watching the video. And that's awesome. For search engine optimization or SEO, the time spent on pages is super important. It actually tells Google that your website is interesting and therefore has more authority than your competition. The direct result for Frameworks is they had a website that had zero visibility and no ranking whatsoever. We put a video on each of the landing page, and 18 months later, they're ranking #1 for 12 keywords in the Miami area. Now, those videos should be listed again on your YouTube channel and embedded inside of each page of your website, and they should be approximately between 60 to 90 seconds. Next is what are we a best fit for video. This is the type of video where you explain what is the ideal type of project and the ideal type of clients for you. The truth is if you're trying to be everything to everyone, you end up being nothing to nobody. And you know that there are some clients or some projects that are not a good fit at all for you. We have all taken projects or clients that we know from the beginning was not a good idea. And we resented it and complained the entire time. Those videos are great to keep the wrong kind of prospects from wasting their time and yours. I love what my mentor Paul Dunn once told me. Success is what you say no to. The what we are best fit for video is awesome to increase your conversion. Why? Because you'll have a lot less people wasting their time seeking your services where they're not a good fit. Take, for example, if you're a real estate agent and you specialize in golf course, single family home and $1 million and up, do you want people that are looking for a cheap condo on the south side of town to call you? No, they're not a good fit. You're not a good fit for them. They need to call someone else. So if you position yourself as this is who I am a best fit for, then your clients are going to flock to you. Those videos should be listed on your YouTube channel, embedded on your website, and the ideal length would be between 1 to 2 minutes. All right, here is a bonus for you. Create a bio video and embed it into your email signature. Think about it for a minute. You send at least 10 emails a day, 5 days a week. That's 50 emails multiplied by 52. That's 2,600 emails. That's 2,600 opportunities for someone to actually connect with you, click on the video, and watch your bio and learn a little bit more about you. People like to do business with people they like. And what a best way to have them like you is to create a bio video of you and your story and have them connect with you. I use a software called YStamp to embed a video in my signature, and I put a link in the description below. Check it out for yourself. All right, so that does it for today. If you have any questions or any comments or any suggestions, you know where to put them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video. And before you leave, please make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. Ciao. Now, let's get started. I'm going to do that. Increase. increased. All right, let me do it again one more time. One of my subscribers used that exact same technique. Let me do that again. Okay, good. All right.